Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Quick look here at WIF hat. Getting through some of my requests here from my community, so deeply appreciate you requesting these coins. We'll go ahead and see what we can do here to effectively help understand best practice and big picture for this. So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love teaching people to trade, and I hope I can impart you with some knowledge here to get some better insight on being a better trader. We do have a trading academy community and signals group if you're curious. Link down below for that. CryptoCache.tech. Quick little congrats though, just have to throw this out here. Took some profit nice here from yesterday. Cardano 60%, 30% from Caspa, ICP 70%, BSV 40, and AVAX 43. Those are safe, conservative, 5x leverage trades, folks. Nothing crazy. We're just playing our cards right and making sure we don't destroy anyone's account. That's the key takeaway here, okay? So survivability, what are we looking at here for WIF hat? Well, last 7 days of liquidation. Majority of shorts got swept here. In fact, there's some either late shorts or just some previous shorts. Really, at this point, $3.30 is that next area of retracement. We could very well see the price action pull back up to that 350. So 330 to 350 is that range of liquidation above the price, and there's still a decent amount at about 230 down as low as 210. The probability of coming down to that low at 230 to 210 is pretty ridiculous, so I don't think it's going to happen. That's all the way down here. It seems very unlikely, especially now that we've broken this descending trend. So let's talk a little bit about that and other contributing factors on the daily and just kind of see where we're at here. So to make it simple for us here, daily time frame is looking pretty solid, but the daily candlestick hasn't closed yet. So you got to recognize until 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or whatever, 0 GMT effectively, we can see that this candlestick is still moving. So in that sense, we're still testing the 50-day SMA, but see, under the impression we close where we're at or higher, preferably to say 305 or higher, we'll be above that level, reaffirming the fact that could be a potential support, or just more importantly, we've broken somewhat bullish in this coin. Because again, breaking a descending trend line is important, right? That's giving us the confirmation we've broken that lower low, lower high pattern. However, at this point, until we can close soundly above that level, we're still not quite there yet. Very, very close though, folks. We want to get above this 0.5 level at the very least. But you can kind of see this here. Look at how many times we've had candlestick closures above this, candle wicks above, but no closures above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 8 attempts to break that level. Okay, so again, this could be a simple cup and handle pattern where the price breaks out. A lot of little variations of things that we could look at, but easy way to understand it here is that until we close today at 305 or higher, we're not in a position to be like super confident in the price taking off. However, we are over 50 on the RSI now. Again, tentatively until today's candlestick closes, and under the impression we close now, at this current price point or higher, $3 or higher, we'll be in good shape there as well. So a lot of positive contributing factors. Stochastic's only halfway through its phase there, and we can also see money flow index is high. That in conjunction with the MACD here converging, we got a lot of reasons why the price action is more likely to continue further up than down. Now you got to recognize we saw a lot of price action pushing up here, strong amount of volume, tons of volume coming into this coin right now. Okay, so that's good, definitely good. Obviously, price is pulling back as well. That's very standard. But generally speaking, with that amount of volume, the likelihood of the price kind of staying where it's at and or not going too much lower is very high. Okay, we rejected pretty soundly off 70 on the RSI. We can see stochastic swinging down, money flow index kind of tapering off, and MACD still kind of converging. So these are not bearish signs by any stretch, folks. The fact that all moving averages are right here leads me to believe that we're going to get a bounce either off this 0.5 fib level at 305 or possibly as low as 290 as a worst case scenario. This coin's looking pretty strong though here again on the 4-hour time frame. So we got multiple confluencing factors, so to speak, letting us know that we have a lot of benefit here with potential for the price to go up. Now again, coins like this, you do want to be very careful. I mean, just say the price does drop, it continues further down, that's a pretty significant drop, right? So you got to recognize that the percentages on this, it's dramatically higher. So all the more reason to use lower leverage and lower position size, right? Because again, higher risk provides that necessity. So I just ask if you were going to take, consider a trade right now in either direction, just make sure you're safe as a trader and not over leveraging. If you're going to use tremendously high leverage, like Tom, Dick, and Harry online, and you're going to post how awesome you are on social media, make sure you use low position size, just so that way, if you do get destroyed, you're expecting to lose that money, right? Because it's a true gamble right now with coins like this, the way that they're moving. While all the TA looks pretty nice, you can have the best TA possible, and these market movers in the back end have a totally different agenda. Either way you look at it, I'm looking for a candlestick closure at 305 today or higher to give us confirmation that we were able to hold this level, this important level, above the 50-day SMA on the daily, and of course a few other factors too. And generally speaking, considering a long position more so at that level if we can hold this line. If we don't hold this line, I would say the next obvious level here, we can kind of see, you can see the more recent highs where the price action had a lot of difficulty getting across this level here at about 292. So I'd say good considerations for entry is either here or here. At 292 or 305, those are the kind of levels that are. Preferably we close 305 or higher today and we see the price likely continue to make higher highs and higher lows moving forward. The truth here is though, we're in really, really good shape here, and generally speaking from a technical standpoint, it's looking quite forgiving, okay? So we're just gonna kind of pay attention to this and kind of see what's going on here. So again, do me a favor before you go, like the video, comment below, deeply appreciate it. Join us over on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, pretty much everything I post, play out charts, and just make sure to keep everybody abreast on everything too. We also trade BitUnix, folks. These guys are phenomenal. Highly recommend them. $5,500 in benefit rewards. Use my link to register. Check them out. No KYC or VPN required, folks. Awesome stuff. Thank you again so much for your time. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.